Hi everyone. I'm Howard Paulus, or the channel How Paul. Either way, today I'm talking to you about Ford light switches, and I have this in my hand. It's a Ford light switch. To get this, the dash, you just pull the dash out, dash cover, and before you pull the dash out, you gotta get this out. And there's a button. It's right here at the top. It'd usually be up like this. If it's up like that, it's upside down. So it's still upside down. But if it's like this, you want to push the button, go in, go out. It's just click out, hold down again, and get the rod out of the light switch. Now, I like to go around junkyards and see if they're any good. This one, somebody had just recently put this in their Ford van. Now, the Ford trucks and vans from like 1968 to 1987, 89, all around had the same light switches. The Ford trucks, on the other hand, switched to a dash light switch in 1987, I do believe. And this would be on the dash on the left-hand side. Now, when they switched over it, they switched to a steering column mounted light switch, which clicked on, off. If you have like an 87 to a 90, I want to say 96 Ford truck, it would have the light switch on the column. Now, 87 to 91 columns are different from 93 to 98 columns. There's a whole different style when you talk about columns. But the construction of this is basically you get your pull hole and porcelain plate, and there's a spring in here. That's your dimming light. Now when you click it all the way, other way, click it all the way over, somehow, oh wait, did I have it? Yeah, right there. Click it all the way over, that means it's really bright, and there's that little plate right there, if you could see it. But standardly, the Ford trucks, vans, and from like 66 on, all had the same light switches. So you could practically pull one out of a Mustang if you need to, but they will differ in range from light knob. The lengths would be different. I ran into that problem with my Maverick. I had to pull the light switch out of it and put it in my truck because the truck one busted, and the one in the Maverick is actually shorter than the one in the truck. Is it short? I think it's longer. It's longer than the truck, due to the fact the Maverick has a collar, which is a little thicker, a little decorative collar. It's about that thick, which makes the thing a little. It's a little longer or short. Somewhere, had to figure it out. But anyways, that's what a Ford light switch from 70. I got this out of actually 90. Actually, yeah, I got this out of a 91-ish van, which they didn't change over their van series until 93, until the round body. And I was lucky enough to find one of these in the van, and they must have just replaced it when they scrapped the car. So, my luck, you know. That's how you change out a light switch in a Ford. This would have a wire block on the bottom of it, by the way.